Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can attach a file in your Gmail, like how you can attach and send that file to anyone. So for that you have to watch the full video, so let's get started. First you have to click on Gmail here, and then you have to click on compose, and then whichever Gmail you want to send, and then you have to click on this attach file. Here it is, attach file option, and then you have to select the file what you want to send. Like I want to send this one, so yeah, this is attached, and now you have to just send it through like by clicking this, so it will go automatically. So that's it guys, like it already went, like yeah, it already went. So that's it guys, that's how you can see, that's how you can send your email to anyone. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Like that's how you can attach your file and send it to anyone. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching this video, and do like, share and subscribe to this channel.